Communicate, please. Please. I don't want to stay here anymore. Please give them whatever they want. Mama, please.
Nginibingelela ngani zakho nginamukele kuyona-ke i-channel. Uma umusha ngiyocela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe kulona le channel, uphinde-ke ulike le video. Do comment if you have anything to say la kwi-comment section ngezansi. Lana-ke udaba esitholela lona lapha ku-social media kuMandla Chris uthi-ke sekuvele ivideo yengane-ke yentombazane-ke u-Iman Fatima owathunjwa esikoleni sakhe last week Tuesday e-Eastern Cape. Kuyivideo-ke ethunyelelwe-ke uma wakhe, ingane-ke ibonakala iboshwe izandla incenga uma wayo ukuthi-ke abanike lokhu abakufunayo. Ingane lena ineminyaka ewu9 kuphela. Ukhulumela-ke amaphoyisa noma-ke ama-Hawks e-Eastern Cape uLieutenant Colonel Avele Fumba uthi-ke basezithendeni-ke zawo amaphoyisa. Uma sibheka laphana-ke kwi-comment section kuphinde-ke kwakhomentwa laphana-ke kuthiwa ingane-ke yayime nezinye-ke iy'ngane laphana-ke esikoleni ilinde imoto-ke kwase kuqhamuka imoto kwehla-ke 2 wezigebengu-ke zayibamba zayifaka khona-ke emotweni ngenkani. Abanye-ke baphawulile ngalo lolu daba kuyona-ke i-comment section yayo le post by uMandla Chris. Ingane-ke uthi othu-ke uzakwe laphana-ke can't even watch this. Uthini-ke laphana-ke uphezu kwenxeba uthi uphezu kwenxeba uthi yena-ke mkhwanazi sicela-ke avakashe-ke kwelicala kusho yena-ke uphezu kwenxeba. uThami Sanele uthi-ke intelligence ayenze umsebenzi wayo. Sigcine laphana-ke ngomatholi uhlophe othena-ke kodwa-ke le migulukudu wase-ke faka ama-emoji-ke umuntu-ke okhalayo. Ngani ukuthi ngiyocela uphawule nawe ngalo lolu daba kuyona-ke i-comment section. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to this channel. Danko.